How to delete search history on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch YouTube app on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. Proceed by tapping on profile icon at bottom right and tap gear icon at top right to access settings of YouTube. Scroll down, navigate to your data in YouTube and wait for it to load. Then you'll reach on this browse or delete your YouTube activities section. Scroll down and navigate to YouTube search history. Tap manage your YouTube search history and after a while tap on delete option and tap delete all time. Now you have to confirm that you want to delete the following activity by tapping delete at bottom right. And now tap got it and you need to go back to your YouTube application's home screen and refresh this feed once. After that, tap the search icon at top right. And as you can see that we have successfully deleted search history on YouTube application. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.